Hi guys. Yeah, I'm back in the kitchen again with another review, and so let's get right into it. So today's review is going to be on the Green Giant rice veggies, and this is the cauliflower melody. And I just want to know how to use this. Is the first time I'm doing this. I'm not paid for this. Does have some recipes on the back. This is just of my own review. And here I have placed the cauliflower rice into a little corning dish, and I added a little dash and some complete. And it does tell you right on the front that there are no sauces and no seasonings. It's 100% vegetables. It's 100% vegetables, and it's gluten-free. 5 grams of carbs, and that's 80% fewer calories than with rice. So, and this is a 10-ounce bag. I did get this at, I believe I got it at Walmart. Yes, I got it at Walmart. Okay, I will leave the price and a link down below. And then there's the recipe that you can make cauliflower fried rice. I'm having mine with a turkey burger today, but I'm going to put this in the microwave, and then I'm going to come back and tell you how it comes out. Hold on. So here I have it going into the microwave, and just going to cover it up and set the timer probably about 1 minute, and then let's see. So I'm adding some butter, and I'm putting it back into the in the microwave for another minute and a half or so. So my people, here we have it. We have delicious plate. We have cauliflower rice, and it's looking nice and fluffy. Let's see. That is delicious. And then my turkey burger, which was cooking at the same time. Oh yeah. That is delicious. Okay. Let me know if you like this. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Bon appetit. Just cooking ideas for you. Have a nice evening.